My name is Leo Tamares, a Senior Account Specialist from EB Group. I feel honored to receive the award for outstanding performance in EB Group. The recognition came as a complete surprise, but I am incredibly grateful for this acknowledgement of my hard work and dedication. It inspires me to continue striving for excellence and reinforce my commitment to contribute to our team's success. As an account officer, I work closely with each client to understand their unique requirements and budget constraints. My role involves designing tailored plans that align with the specific needs of each client, ensuring optimal coverage and value. I also make sure that clients receive consistent high-quality service at every stage of their engagement. By building strong relationship and maintaining open communication, we strive to exceed client expectations and foster long-term partnership. Apart from helping my clients, there are also other aspects of my job that I truly love. I have the opportunity to learn constantly. The insurance industry is very dynamic, with regulation and products that evolve over time. My role involves staying up to date on industry trends, understanding new policies, and adapting to changes. The continuous learning environment has allowed me to expand my knowledge and skills, helping me to grow both personally and professionally.